क्लास नाइन्थ हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर नंबर 3 नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर। इस वीडियो में हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचते रहें। साथ ही वीडियो को लाइक करना और शेयर करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। शॉर्ट आंसर्स टाइप क्वेश्चन। Question number 1. State the verdict of the Nuremberg Tribunal. Why did the Allies avoid harsh punishment to Germany? Answer. The Nuremberg Tribunal convicted Germany and dubbed its conduct during war as crime against humanity. The Allies avoided harsh punishment to Germany because of the following reasons. They did not want to repeat the mistakes done after First World War by being harsh to Germany that gave rise to the ideology of Nazism under Hitler. They were conscious about another destructive war that could erase humanity. Question. The Treaty of Versailles was humiliating on the Germans. Give 3 examples in support of your statement. Answer. The Treaty of Versailles was humiliating on the Germans in the following ways. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for the war and damages the Allied countries suffered. Germany was forced to pay compensation amounting to 6 billion euro. Germany lost her overseas possessions, 13% of her territories, 17% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. Next question. The Weimar Constitution had some inherent defects. Explain. Answer. The Weimar Constitution had some inherent defects which made the government weak and unstable and vulnerable to dictatorship. The defects were proportional representation. It became impossible for any one political party to achieve a majority, leading to coalition government. Article 48. It gave the President the power to impose emergency, suspend civil rights and rule by decree. Within a short period, Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets lasting 239 days on an average. People no longer had faith in the democratic parliamentary system. Next question. State 3 ways in which Nazi state established total control over its people. Answer. The Nazi state established total control over its people by the following ways. The Enabling Act 1933 established dictatorship in Germany. All trade unions and political parties were banned except for the Nazi Party. The state established total control over the economy, media, army, and judiciary. Special surveillance and security forces were created to control society in the ways that Nazis wanted. Next question. How did the Nazi state get the reputation as the most degraded criminal state? Answer. Special surveillance and security forces were created to keep a close watch on the activities of the people and to control and order society in the ways that Nazi wanted. Apart from regular police force and SA or the stormtroopers, there was the Gestapo, secret state police, the SS, the protection squads, the criminal police and the security services, SD. The new organized forces enjoyed extra constitution powers. These dreaded organization and their working gave the Nazi state the reputation of the most dreaded criminal state. People could be detained in torture chambers and sent to concentration camps or arrested and detained without any legal procedures. Next question. By the end of 1940, Hitler was at the pinnacle of his power. Explain the statement with examples. Answer. In foreign policy, Hitler acquired quick success. He left the League of Nations, reoccupied Rhineland, annexed Austria, took German-speaking Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia, and finally the whole country. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland. It started the war with England and France. Puppet governments who supported Hitler were set up in many parts of Europe. In September 1940, Hitler signed a tripartite pact with Italy and Japan to strengthen his claim to international power. Next question. What was Hitler's aim in conquering Eastern Europe? What was its result? Answer. Hitler wanted to conquer Eastern Europe because he wanted to ensure food supplies and living space for the Germans. He attacked Soviet Union in June 1941. The Red Army inflicted a humiliating defeat on Germany. It was a historic blunder on the part of Germany. Her western frontiers were exposed to British aerial bombing and eastern frontier to the Soviet army. The Soviet army established its control over the entire Eastern Europe. Next question. Nazis established a racial state once they come to power. Explain. Or how the Nazi established a racial state after coming into power. Answer. Once the Nazis come to power, they wanted to create an exclusive racial community of pure Germans and eliminating those who were seen as undesirables. They wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. They were considered as desirables. It meant even those Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to exist. Jews were not the only community who were classified as undesirable. Many Gypsies and blacks living in Nazi Germany were considered as racial inferiors and threatened the purity of the Aryan race. They were widely persecuted. Even Russians and Poles were considered as subhuman. Many of them died through hard work and starvation. Next question. Mention the communities termed as desirable and undesirable by the Nazis. Answer. The desirable including blonde, blue eyes, Nordic German Aryans. He wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. The undesirable included many Gypsies, blacks, Jews remained the worst sufferers. Even those Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to live. Under the euthanasia program, they were condemned to death. Even Germans who were mentally and physically unfit were put to death. Next question. Why did Helmut's father shoot himself? Answer. Helmut's father was a prominent physician and had been a Nazi and a supporter of Adolf Hitler. Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal were undesirable and had no right to exist. Under the euthanasia program, Helmut's father, along with other physicians and officials, had condemned the death many Germans who were considered as mentally and physically unfit. They knew that the Allies would take revenge, so he shot himself in his office. Next question. Define genocidal war. Mention any two methods adopted by extermination of Jews. Answer. Genocidal war means killing on large scale leading to the destruction of large section of people. The following two methods were adopted for the extermination of Jews: passing them through gas chambers in various killing centers like Auschwitz, Treblinka, Sobibor. They were kept in ghettos. Ghettos were sites of extreme poverty and misery. Jews had to surrender all their wealth before they entered the ghettos. Soon after, some were brimming with hunger, starvation, and disease due to poor hygiene. Next question: how was Nazi ideology taught to the youth in Germany? Explain. Answer: Nazi ideology was taught to the youth in school. School textbooks were rewritten. These books justified Nazi ideas of racism. Hitler believed that boxing could make children iron hearted, strong, and masculine. Youth organizations like Jungvolk, Hitler Youth, Youth League, and Labor Services were made responsible for educating German youth in the spirit National Socialism or Nazism. The German mothers had to teach Nazi values to their children. Next question: how did the common people react to Nazism? Answer: common people reacted to Nazism in different ways. One group of Germans were influenced by Nazi thinking. They felt hatred and anger when they saw someone who looked like a Jew. They marked the houses of the Jews and reported them suspicious neighbors. Many Germans organized active resistance against Nazism and faced death. The third group of Germans were passive spectators. They were scared to act or protest. Next question: who wrote the book Third Reich of Dreams? What did the author describe in this book? Answer: Charlotte Wright secretly recorded people's dreams in her diary and later published them in a book called The Third Reich of Dreams. She wrote how Jews themselves began to believe in Nazi stereotypes about them. They dreamed of hooked noses, black hair, and eyes. These images troubled them in their dreams. Finally, they died in the gas chambers. Next question: describe the events which happened in 1945 when Germany surrendered to Allies. Answer: in May 1945, Germany surrendered to the Allies. Hitler and his propaganda minister Goebbels and his family committed suicide in his Berlin bunker. As the Allied armies overran the areas occupied by Nazi Germany, they came across many concentration camps where people were on the last stage of their life. When the war seemed lost, the Nazi leaders distributed petrol to their subordinates to destroy all evidence available in the offices. Next question: mention four major terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Or the Treaty of Versailles was harsh and humiliating. Justify by giving four terms of the treaty. Answer: Germany lost its overseas colonies, a tenth of its population, 13% of its territories, 75% of its iron, and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. The Allied powers demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for the war and damages the Allied countries suffered. Germany was forced to pay compensation amounting to around 6 billion. The Allied armies also occupied to resource-rich Rhineland for much of the 1920s. Many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war but the disgrace at Versailles. Next question. State three features of political radicalism in Germany. Answer. Features of political radicalism in Germany are the political situation that came into view after the rise of Weimar Republic is termed as political radicalism. The demand and the uprising for Soviet-style governance were suppressed by the Weimar Republic, and this encouraged them to form the Communist Party. Both communist and socialist wanted political radicalism against Hitler's rule. The situation aggravated with economic crisis in 1923. Germany paid war repatriation in gold, and so the gold reserve of Germany became scarce. Due to this, Germany refused to pay the war repatriation. As a result, French occupied Ruhr, which was the leading industrial area of Germany. Germany printed paper currency in excess, which further led to worsening of the situation and hyperinflation. Next question. Examine two inherent defects in Weimar Constitution. Answer. The system of proportional representation made achieving a majority by any one party a near impossible task, leading to the rule by coalitions. Article 48, which gave the President the power to impose emergency, suspend civil rights, and rule by decree. Within its short life, the Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets, lasting on an average 239 days, and a liberal use of Article 48. Yet the crisis could not be managed. People lost confidence in the democratic parliamentary system, which seemed to offer no solutions. Next question. Explain any three components of the ideology of Hitler. Answer. According to Nazi theory, there was no equality between people but only a racial hierarchy. In this view, blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while the Jews were at the bottom. Hitler borrowed his ideas from the theory of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Both these scientists explained the concept of evolution and natural selection. They gave the concept of survival of the fittest. The idea was used by the Nazis to justify their imperial rule and war. Hitler also used the idea of Lebensraum or living space. He believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement. Next question. What were the promises made by Hitler to people of Germany? Answer. He promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty, and restore the dignity of the German people. He promised employment for those looking for work and a secure future for the youth. He promised to weed out all foreign influences and resist all foreign conspiracies against Germany. Next question. State any three major effects of the First World War in Germany. Answer. Three major effects of the First World War in Germany are: World War I ended with the Allies defeating Germany and the Central Power in November 1918. The peace treaty at Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating treaty. Germany lost its overseas colonies, a tenth of its population, 13% of its territories, 75% its iron, and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. The Allied powers demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. Germany was forced to pay compensation amounting to 6 billion euro. The Allied armies also occupied the resource-rich Rhineland for much of the 1920s. Next question. Explain the impact on Germany of her refusal to pay war compensation in 1923. Answer. The French occupied Ruhr, the leading industrial and mineral dominating area. Germany retaliated with passive resistance and printed paper currency. Recklessly, with too much printed money in circulation, the value of German mark fell drastically due to the fall in the value of mark, prices of goods sourced, and Germany fell into hyperinflation situation. Next question. Explain the threefold plan of Hitler to consolidate the Nazi power after becoming the Chancellor of Germany. Answer. Suspension of rights. The Fire Decree of 28 February 1933 identifiably suspended civic rights like freedom of speech, press, and assembly that had been guaranteed by the Weimar Constitution. End of communism. Hitler was totally against communism, so he ordered his officials to put all the communists and their supporters in the newly established concentration camp. The repression of the communists was severe. They were, however, only one among the 52 types of victims persecuted by the Nazis across the country. Enabling Act. On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. This act established dictatorship in Germany. It gave Hitler all powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. All political parties and trade unions were banned except for the Nazi Party and its affiliates. The state established complete control over the economy, media, army, and judiciary. Next question. What steps were taken by Hitler to reconstruct Germany? Answer. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hans-Müller Sachset, who aimed at full production and full employment through a state-funded work creation program. This project produced the famous German superhighways and the people's car, the Volkswagen. In foreign policy also, Hitler acquired quick successes. He pulled Germany out of the League of Nations in 1933, reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936, and integrated Austria and Germany in 1938. He was the opinion that resources are to be accumulated through the expansion of territory. Next question. Explain Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum. Answer. Hitler's geopolitical concept of Lebensraum. Hitler's ideology was related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space. He believed new territories had to be acquired for settlement. This would enhance the area of the mother country while enabling the state settles on new lands to retain an intimate link with the place of their origin. It would also enhance the material resources and power of the German nation. Next question. How was the Nazi Party formed? Answer. Nazi Party formed by disintegration of Weimar Republic led to the formation of Nazi Party after the First World War. Hitler enrolled for the army when the First World War broke out. He also earned medals for bravery. The German defeat horrified him and Versailles Treaty made him furious. Later, he joined a small group called the German Workers' Party. Subsequently, he took over the organization and renamed in National Socialist German Workers' Party. This party came to be known as Nazi Party. Next question. Explain the racial policy of Hitler or the Nazis. Answer. The Nazis wanted to establish an exclusive racial community of pure Germans by eliminating all other races. They wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Under his racial policy, Hitler even ordered to eliminate unhealthy or abnormal Aryans. Many inferior races like Gespis, the blacks, and Jews were killed and deported. Holocaust, concentration camp, Wall Street Exchange. Answer: Holocaust. It refers to the Nazi killing operations. Undesirable people were taken to concentration camp, Gestapo, gas chambers, etc., and were subjected to death. While the Germans were preoccupied with their own plight as a defeated nation emerging out the rubble, the Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and suffering they had endured during the Nazi killing operations. Concentration camp. It was a camp where people were isolated and detained without due process of law. Typically, it was surrounded by electrified, barbed wire fences. When Hitler became the Chancellor on 30th January 1933, he hurriedly picked off his arch enemies, the communists, to the newly established concentration camp. Wall Street Exchange. It was the world's biggest stock exchange located in the USA. In 1929, when the Wall Street Exchange crashed, Germans were very much affected because they were totally dependent on short-term loans, largely from the USA. Next question. Nazism reflects ugly face of humanity. State three arguments in support of the statement. Answer: cleaning and purification of schools. All schools were cleansed and purified. This meant that teachers who were Jews or seen as politically unreliable were dismissed. Children were first segregated. Germans and Jews could not sit together or play together. Subsequently, undesirable children, Jews, the physically handicapped, Gespis, were thrown out of school, and finally, in the 1940s, they were taken to the gas chambers. Good German children were subjected to a process of Nazi schooling, a prolonged period of ideological training. Racial science. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Stereotypes about Jews were popularized even through maths classes. Spirit of loyalty and aggregation. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews, and worship Hitler. Even the function of sports was to nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among children. Hitler believed that boxing could make children iron-hearted, strong, and masculine. Next question. Why USA resisted its involvement in the Second World War? Which incident marked its entry into the war? Answer. The USA has resisted involvement in the Second World War. It was unwilling to once again face all the economic problems that the First World War had caused, but it could not stay out of the war for long. Japan was expanding its power in the East. It had occupied French Indochina and was planning attacks on the US naval bases in the Pacific. When Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor, the US entered the Second World War. इसी के साथ ही हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। साथ ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचते रहें। धन्यवाद।